Hey y'all, I got some monies, as my grandbaby would say, and we're gonna be stuffing my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mrs Vee here, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and I focus on budgeting my money so that I can retire early. And I am budgeting a portion of my spending money because my husband and I, well, at the time of this video, we are consumer debt free again, yay. So I just finished the 10K in 100 days challenge. That video will be up tomorrow. I want to thank y'all, you guys, for your support. Check out that video. I have a surprise in the video. I'll be doing something that I haven't done ever on my channel. So yeah, check that video out. So let's go ahead and get into it. So today we're going to be cash stuffing my cash envelopes. I stuff $200 a week as a way to stay on budget with certain things, and I'll also be stuffing $530 into my sinking funds, and that's a total of $730. So first thing we're gonna do is see how much change we have. So this little organizer I picked up from Amazon. I was inspired from someone in the budgeting community. They had it on their channel and I liked it because I don't want to use the change jars, because you still got to go take it to the store and, you know, get the change, you know, let them count it. So I like this. It's a little bit more organized for me. So yeah, so we're gonna put all our change in here, and this little divider, it tells you at the end, like it has a line telling you when the quarters are ready to be wrapped, and so I like this. So we got a little change here. So if you see anything in the video that I'm using, most likely it's gonna be linked in my Amazon storefront in the description box. So yeah, so I know this is linked, this change organizer. So here it is. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. First, let's empty out my wallet. I just did a weekly, I do a track my spending. I always track my spending first, and then I do this video. So if you want to see what I spent my money on this week and how much I saved, go check out that video. I'll link it in the eye. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll insert on the screen how much I put in each category, especially if you're new to my channel. So household had $10 left, and put that over to the side. Personal had $10 also. I've already stocked up on a lot of that stuff. Spending, we had $20, $30, $40, $51. Dollar Tree had $1. Nothing in restaurants. And groceries, we had $25, $26, $27, $28. And that's it for my wallet. Let's see how much I saved. So remember I said I stuff a total of $200 weekly. So let's see how much I saved. Let's put all the denominations together. So out of $200, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $100. So I only spent $100. If you watch my spending, it was $79. That's because I took something back to the store and got my $21 back. So that's why it's a difference. So yeah. So we're gonna put this over to the side, and I'll show you what I do with it later. So let's restuff our envelopes. So for Dollar Tree, $15 we're gonna do. I'm actually gonna do 15 ones this time. Let's see if I can pull 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hey! 2 snaps, Miss Brittany from the Crafty Budgeter. Go let her know Miss V just pulled 15 $1 bills. Yes, I did. So we're gonna put this in the Dollar Tree envelope. Next is spending. I always give myself 10 $100, 10 $10 bills. Let's see if this is 100. See if this is 10 tens. 1, 2, I think it's more though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's $100 for spending that I give myself for the week. And I can spend it on anything that I like. And next we have household, $10. I'm gonna give myself a $10 bill for household. Then personal, well, that was personal. Household and personal both gets $10. And next we're gonna do, got my little cheat sheet over here. Eating out, a 10 and 5 ones. Let's see if we can get 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm getting good at this. Eating out. And yeah, eating out. And last is groceries. I'm gonna give myself 2 5s and 2 20s. So I do $50. 1, 2, and 2 5s. So that's 50. So this is my cash envelopes, all stuff for the week. So that's the money that I will spend for the week. So we're gonna put that over to the side. Now we're gonna start out with my vacation binder. I only have 3 binders now. I used to have 4, but I've since condensed them. So I got this little vacation binder. So when we go on vacation, this is the money I'll use. And so I have it divided into housing, where we're gonna stay, food, gas or plane tickets, any kind of activities that we do, and miscellaneous is mostly like shopping and stuff like that. So for vacation, I think I'm gonna do a $10 bill for everybody. I mean, for all 5 categories, so that's gonna be easy. So I'm gonna get 5 $10 bills, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I don't count this money, I just stuff it in here. So when we get ready to go, I'll see how much I have, and if we have to add something, we'll get it from our buffer account or, you know, any other account. But usually if we're going on a vacation, I kind of know how much I need to stuff, so I usually don't have to get anything out of another account. So that's it for vacation. Put that one back. So we finished with that binder, and next is our high priority binder. This is a new binder I just got. I did an unboxing with these beautiful new envelopes. So, got my cheat sheet over here. Let me see. First thing I'm gonna do is put this $100, whatever my spending, whatever is left over from my spending, I always put it in whatever sinking fund I'm focused on. But right now I'm focused on myself and some things that I want, so this is gonna go in my envelope. So that's gonna be $100. Let's find Miss V. Where are you? There she is. There she is, like they say on Black Panther. So I had $76 in there that was rolled over from the last time. So that would give me a total of $176. I'm looking for my marker. Okay. I have already updated the trackers. So this is the only one that I haven't updated, only because it's rollover. So that'll give me $176. I know I want a new camera, even though that really should go into business, but I'll just pay myself back if I have to use some of my money. So let's get all this money, the denominations together. The 5s. And 10s. And the 20s, yeah. So this should be $176, let's see. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. When I was counting them 5, 10, 15, 20, it put me in the mind of when we were kids, we used to play hide and go seek. But you know, we were bad. We played hide and go get. Did y'all play hide and go get? Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, hide and go seek. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So for car, we gotta put our Tahoe in the shop. So I gotta bulk this up. So we need $80, and this gonna be a, what did I give? A 50, a 20, and a 10. 50, 20, and a 10. And let's see, I put 80 on there. So we got 220 in there already, and that'll bring it up to 300. So let's count this. 100, 200, 250, 270, 280, 290, 300. So yeah. So that's good on car. Next is home. Get $60 in, which is a 50 and a 10. And I got a little note right here because I took some out of home, but I'll do that off camera. But I'm going to go ahead and just count this. Should be, got $40 in there now. And so when we add the 60, it should be 100. So that's 50, 70, 90, 100. And next is investments, and we'll do $4 because I had $36 in there, so I'm just gonna add 4 to make it 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be 40. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Guys, let me tell you something. That 10K challenge has really changed my life. It has changed my thought process. I had already had a different mindset, but it's even more focused now. That 10K challenge really did it. So I'm going to do a video telling you the things I learned about myself doing the 10K challenge. I'm going to also do a video telling you what I did with the money, the $10,000, and then, you know, some things that may help you in case you may want to do a big, you know, challenge like that. I'm just going to share with you the things that work for me. Everything may not work for everybody, but I'm still going to share. So self-care is going to get $5, which is a $5 bill, which should take it to 40. So because I had 35 in here. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And 1 month ahead, my sister gave me a tracker to start tracking this, and I'll probably do that in the next video. But I want to get them 1 month ahead since the automotive industry is so unpredictable, and they always laying my husband off. Even though we don't have to use we have been fortunate where we hadn't had to use our emergency fund because we already so disciplined with our budget. But I just wanted to do 1 month ahead just to kind of budgeting, just because said in her video I would want to go to the 1 month ahead before I go to my emergency fund. So basically the 1 month ahead is really an extension of your emergency fund. I would just go to this before I go to the emergency fund. So I just want to do this. So yeah, I already had 50 in there, so I'm gonna add 50, so that'll make it $100. Subscriptions, we'll be getting $5. And subscription is, I'm gonna go to paying for my post office box once a year. I have my editing software, Kind Master. I pay once a year, and I'm going to swap over to my Care Pass, my CVS Care Pass. I'm gonna swap over to that once a year. So anything that is yearly, the money will come out of here. Mrs Vee, I've already stuffed you, sister, with the rollover. Look at that. Look at that beautiful envelope. I just got these. These the extra ones she sent me. Fitness and health, I gotta get back serious. I done gained 4 pounds, so I can't let myself get loose. So I had $5. Gotta get my protein powder and start back making my smoothies. Tiffany, my oldest daughter, I'm gonna give her $5. And she gonna text me and ask me, Mom, why you got our name on those envelopes? You gonna buy us something? I was like, no, this is money for when y'all pay me my money back, I'm gonna put it in your envelope. How about that? And she started laughing. I said, okay. And that's Erica's. Yeah. So look at these beautiful envelopes. So that's it for high priorities. Now low priority. Let's see what we got here. Business. I always do that with the YouTube check. Christmas is going to get $11. Which is a 10 and a 1. So that'll make that total $61. I only have 31 in the envelope and 30 in the bank. That's the only thing be confusing. How do you guys do your totals? Cause do you actually put it on the tracker so you'll know how much your total is, or do you put it on another piece of paper like I did? But I don't have the paper with me when I do my video, so I always kind of write it right here. So I wrote right there 30 in the bank. 30 in the bank and 31 in the envelope, so I can tell when I'm doing my totals. So I'm trying to find a better system. Yeah. So let me know what you guys do. Give me some insight. So entertainment gets $5. has a total of $25. Giving is going to get $20, which is 4 $5 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, with my giving, I'm gonna be doing more donating because I don't need anything else right now. The stuff that I need is expensive, so I gotta save up for that. Good Grades is gonna get a $20 bill. Gotta get back started. How do I have $5 in? I shouldn't have $5 in Good Grades. I don't know where this 5 came from. Put that over to the side. Supposed to have $20 in Good Grades. And medical, $5. So like medical has $15 actually in the envelope. And $15 cash. I don't know. I had to look back at my other sheet so I know exactly how much I have for medical. I gotta find a better system. This is kind of confusing. Okay, new car. So how much I'm putting in new car? New car, I'm putting $40, so that means I have $60 already. I got $60 in the bank. Okay. But I already got 5 in here. I don't know. Let me put these $40 in here. I figured out. But this one got a 5 in it too. It shouldn't have a 5 in here. I don't know. Like that little song. I don't know. I don't know. Support Small is getting $5. Taxes is getting $100. Gotta get serious with these taxes. Especially with me traveling now, cause baby, I'm getting the least amount cut out. And this is another one I gotta make some changes. But anyway, this is unbudgeted. I love this envelope. You see, I be having to use it. $55. So 20. Okay. Well, I guess those 5 is belong in the envelopes. I don't know. So 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got $55 to add to unbudgeted. So I don't know where this $5 goes. I should have left it in there, but I'm putting it in Christmas. Definitely do. But yeah, that's it. So I have stuffed my cash envelope for the week. Got my low priority stuff. Got my high priority stuff. Got my vacation binder stuff. Yeah, I'm ready for the week. And that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.